Ano to na usong-uso tuwing summer season?
Ha? Sir? Pakwan.
Ayan. Ganun ang tamang sagot, ha? Ulit?
Pakwan.
Paano, Sugar?
Kailangan pumipikit yung left mo na eyes mo.
Paano?
Pakwan.
Ah. Ikaw?
Pakwan!
Baligtad naman.
Para matigas, no?
Para kami may kikikwi eh. Ayusin mo.
Pakwan, ganyan. Parang cute lang. Pakwan.
Yun.
Oh, tira.
Ikaw.
Pakwan!
Parang nai-stroke siya eh. Parang nai-stroke lang.
Okay, Pakwan is correct.
Knock-knock, sir.
Who's there?
Pakwan.
Pakwan who?
Ganda ko talaga.
Pakwan, you're like a dream come true. Pakpo, just wanna be with you. Pakpor. 3 pa lang. Ulit, from the top.
Oh, one more time.
One more time.
Pakwan, you're like a dream come true. Pakpo, just wanna be with you. Pak3, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. Pak4s. May force?
Eh, marami. 4 na eh. Marami na yun eh.